another tutorial video on my channel, and today's video is on the topic about how to check or locate your graphics card on your laptop or basically on Windows. Now there are three ways to do this. The first one is to right click anywhere on your desktop and click on this submenu will pop up, then click on screen resolution. Then simply hit advanced settings. Then this is your adapter type is gonna be your graphics card. For me it's a mobile Intel R965 Express chipset family, which is cheap. Okay, what's the second way of doing this? Second way of doing this is right click on your computer or this PC. Maybe this is for your computer, this is typed as this PC. Anyway, right click on this, hit on properties. This Windows will pop up. However, you are gonna go and hit device manager over here, or simply search device manager in your start menu. However, let this load, and then you're gonna click display adapters. Click on here and you're gonna see a triangle like this, and hit this triangle, and this is gonna show this is gonna be your graphics card. Maybe there are listed two in here, but for me it's only one. So what's the third way? Let's move on to the third way now. Let me refresh this. Now go into your start menu. The third way is go into your start menu and type DXDIAG. This is gonna pop up and there's only one program, DirectX Diagnosis. I think that's its name. Let it load so we can actually see what its name is. Okay, so here it loaded, DirectX Diagnostic 2. So yeah, after coming here you're gonna click on display, and there's your graphics card again. And you can also check all of your computer's information here in the system tab. However, this is a very quick tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, share it with your friends. And with that being said, I am Gogito. Allah Hafiz. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.